Good Friday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. This afternoon, the focus has been on one storm leaving southeastern Alaska and a new storm trying to move in and take its place across the west coast. First, rain and a little bit of snow mixing together across parts of southeast this afternoon. The 997 millibar low is slowly sliding southeastward, and as it does so, making way for a ridge of high pressure to build in, at least temporarily, across the central and eastern Gulf. A 1,020 millibar high sits across the central Yukon, but out across the west coast it's been cold, and with the rain moving in on top of it, periods of freezing rain have been moving over parts of Bethel and southwestern sections of the YK Delta this afternoon. Problem for Bethel, and problem that will spread north and east through the rest of the afternoon. Here we go with your forecast. By tonight, a 991 millibar low moving over Norton Sound will keep snow flying across parts of the Seward Peninsula. Look for some of the heaviest snow there, fairly close to Nome. Looks like some places we'll be looking at storm totals of 3 to 6 inches of snow across the peninsula there, including Nome. Winter weather advisory will wrap up around 9 o'clock for you. 3 to 7 inches possible around Demonic and the Yukon Delta. Winter weather advisory ends for you also around 9 o'clock. Moving into tomorrow morning, the YK Delta and the lower Yukon and middle Yukon valleys, including the lower Koyukuk Valley, could be looking at as much as 3 to 7 inches of snow, perhaps a slight glaze of freezing rain on top of that, probably not as much as what Bethel saw. As we get into early Saturday morning into early Sunday morning, about 3 a.m. to 3 a.m. Sunday, you're looking at another 4 to perhaps 6 or 7 inches of snow, generally south of Ambler and west of Bettles in the upper Koyukuk Valley there. So look for additional snowfall to move into the north and western parts of the interior. For the upper Kuskokwim Valley, a winter weather advisory continues for you. You could see as much as 12 inches of snow, perhaps around areas near McGrath by the time it's all said and done Saturday night. By Sunday, a storm moving up the south-central coastline will likely bring in some more snow for parts of the Anchorage Bowl, Matsu, and the Kenai Peninsula, even Kodiak looking at snow showers over the weekend. Low pressure will add another surge of snow to parts of northern sections of southeast. Prepare for another round of heavy snow there in places like Yakutat and Haines. Looking a little bit further out west quickly, a 962 millibar low is approaching from the North Pacific to the western Aleutians. We'll keep an eye on that as we head into next week. With Alaska's statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder. Enjoy the